1st of May 2013, Wyoming County on Breezy Acres. Checking out the winter Triticale nitrogen rate study. Yellow plot here at 60 pounds to the acre of nitrogen. A little bit of effect of the nitrogen fertilizer. There's some spots that are a little taller and greener than others, but doesn't appear to be as dramatic as some of the other sites. Orange square here had 120 pounds per acre of nitrogen. It is visibly taller than some of the other plots around it, and it is a little bit of a darker green. Red square had 30 pounds of nitrogen per acre. Again, kind of like the 60 pounds per acre. You can tell there was something put on it, but the effects seem relatively small. Untreated control here in the pink square. Plot's a little more yellow and just a touch shorter than some of the surrounding plots. And then finally, 90 pounds per acre in the blue square. Again, very similar to the 120 pounds of nitrogen per acre. This field here is currently about Feeks 5.5, so right before jointing. That's pretty standard. This site's been about a week behind everything else in the region. We're on the western edge of Wyoming County. It's a pretty good stand of winter triticale here on this dairy farm. There's not really much for weeds. Take a quick look at it. Unlike some of the fields we were in yesterday, very few winter annual weeds at this point in time. So take a look out over the rest of the field. Again, we're probably about 3 weeks away from harvest with this, whereas some of the other fields yesterday that we saw that were already at jointing, they're probably the 2.5 weeks away from the early end of harvest.